Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to bulk edit Metafields. Let's get started. So in order to do that, if you head over in here in your settings and scroll down until you reach the custom data, you should be able to see the Metafield definitions. So let's see the Metafield definitions per products right here. And in here, if you try to click on any one of them, you can see that you can edit them out one by one. So if you want to bulk edit them, what you can do is you can select in here all of the products that you have, and then from in there, click on bulk edit. Under this bulk edit right here, you should be able to see this options right here for this specific table. You have this quantity and all of this right here. So what you can do is you can click on this columns that they have. Click on columns, and then from in there, you can just scroll down until you see the ones that is actually indicated for Metafield right there. So in here, we have here the meta description, and also in here the Metafields. So just choose which one is actually where you want to show. You can show all the Metafields they have for it here. So for me, I'll just add all four right there. And once I have added those, it will show in here right there. So in here, you can edit out this one, wherein you can select an option for this. So it depends on you how you want to edit it out. You can also add in here complementary products, like for example, stock. Or you can also select a product that you want as complement for this specific product. So you can choose which one is applicable to you, as well as the rated products for this right here, as well as the search product boost that you have. So once you're done everything, so head over and click on save there. And once you have saved, those Metafields has been added and you have bulk edited them. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like or subscribe button and pass message for people. See you soon.